Hey guys, welcome. Today we're doing a new series that's going to be going on until we get through all the guns. I'm going to do a competitive with each one of these guns going into this order. We're going to start with the USPS, then the dualies, then P2, 5.7, Deagle Mutter, and then, so on. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy. It's actually starting. Wow, it's been the full 4 minutes because people can't connect. What's up, team? Yo, sup? Alright, where we headed? Alright, let's do it. I'm feeling, dude. I gotta be a happy team player or else they're gonna kick me. Got him. Oh, another one on sight. Nice. Nice. Let's go. Alright, we got the first round down. Alright, where to now? Come on, let's go. Get some answers. What did he say? Did he say B? I couldn't understand. Yo, I'm going cat with my boy. Yo, back up, yo, back up! You got this, Purple. You got this. Oh, he's dead. Nice. Got him, boys. Yeah, let's go. I wonder how long it's gonna take for them to notice that I'm only using a Glock. So. One more. Is he in there? I swear he is. Oh gosh. I got this. One long. Shoot. It's defusing my man. Oh, rip. Nice try, man. I'm gonna buy the AK just so they don't think I'm, not buying, and then I'm just gonna use a Glock. Oh, bah! Taking us out. Wow, using a Glock kind of sucks. Nope, no, it cannot. Just don't push him. Alright. What gun do we buy this round? Oh, we just spawned with it. Let's go. Oh, snap. I'll throw it at the ground. I thought I killed him! Can I use this to count? Yeah, I'll use this to count and then use my Glock. Actually, no, I count that as one. I only saw one cross moving too. Let's go, boys. Let's go. Whoa, 63 and 5. I don't think they've noticed yet, so it's okay. Nope, we're clear. It's alright, we're alright. I cry. We're last place, guys. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and smoke and flash long. Alright, we'll get that flash going. Haven't made it out. Oh my gosh! What the heck? How did he get there so fast? Russian luck. Alright, I'm gonna smoke corner. Where is he? I blinded myself. No! Every round it's bah! Finally, a legit save round where I don't have to fake using a Glock. Woo! I got you, bro. Let's go. Dude, I'm feeling you, Manu. Alright, I'll push first. Oh yeah, James, I love you. Okay, 7-6. It's a close game, surprisingly. I'm still 2-11. Definitely carrying the team here. No, that was our kill. That was our kill. Oh shoot. Yeah, I know I got myself. Alright, let me check out long. Come on, this is our kill. Oh no. No. That was our kill. Yes! We did it. 3 kills by half. Alright, time for the USPS, dude. Whew. Totally. I'm definitely carrying the team. Holy smokes. Woo! Get one tapped. Oh, let's go, boys. MP9 for cover, or 7. There we go. CT side's working out. CT side is working out. 1B. I need a new USPS. Whew! Was not ready for him. I kind of wanted a USPS. So, but you know what? I'll do this. I'll do this one. Alright. Doesn't look like it's B. You got some top mid action. Oh, ooh, going cat. Oh, I tried. I tried, boys. Finally, my gosh. Alright, let's go. Alright. He said mid to B, but is he lying to me? One dinks. Okay. Oh, I hit some people. Alright, match point. We made it. Long, boys. Long! Can we get... I want the game to kill... No! Hey! We ranked up too. Alright. We ranked up with Stizzle only. That's hilarious. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys with the next pistol.